Hey everybody, today is Monday. Sorry for another video on the same day, but this one's going to be a lot shorter. One of the things that I need you to do today is make sure you understand the grading system and what you need to do. You're then going to watch the engineering design process taco video. It's kind of brings you through what you're going to be doing this week on both your distance and hang time airplanes. You're then going to start this starter questions. And so if I open this up, the questions you're going to be answering are pretty easy because you're just going to be talking about, okay, make at least one observation about paper airplanes that makes you curious. So why do they fly? Why do you care about them? What do you notice about paper airplanes? What do you think about their wing size? Okay, just tell me about what you think about them. And then if I go to the second question, how do you think that you can fold a paper airplane so that way the paper airplane flies the further distance than anybody else? Okay, so possible example questions could be like, does making my paper airplane shorter, so having a shorter paper airplane make it go further, or having it longer and skinnier, or shorter and fatter, whatever it might be, that could be your question. Forming a hypothesis is going to be your next thing. So, okay, if I make my airplane longer and skinnier, then it will go further because it's more aerodynamic. So that's an example hypothesis that you could use. You could use whatever you find on the internet to make it go further. Okay, and then lastly, what is your manipulated variable? What are you testing? That can be different for every single one of you. Well, I'm testing the width. So whether it's got really big wings, or if it's got really short, skinny wings, or if it's got paper clips or no paper clips, and whatever that might be. And then remember that the responding variable is what you collect data on. So that would be distance for this plane. Okay. So that's what you're going to start thinking about on Monday. And then as soon as you're done with that, you're going to open this. And so you're going to read that. And then what you're going to next do is create a single paper airplane and see how far it goes, measure that out, and then complete the daily Google log. Okay, so we're going to talk about what that Google log looks like, what you're going to be completing every day. So what you're going to have it look like is you're going to open this up. Oh, come on. My Chromebook is going to explode, it sounds like. You're going to put your name in here, whether you're third or fourth hour or first, fifth, whatever it is. I need to adjust that. Well, right now we're doing our distance plane. Today's Monday. You're going to talk about, well, I increased the blah, 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 blah of my distance plane. Okay. And I then did some research on how to make it go further. You're going to then click add a file. You're going to find a file, whether it's on your computer or Google Drive, of your original paper airplane that you had just done. And you're then going to click submit. And then you're done with Monday. Okay, you're going to talk about why you created it, and then talk about how far it went, and submit that daily log for Monday. That's it.